This sound is also the English thinking sound, meaning us English speakers say it when we're trying to think of what to say, okay? Yeah. How's it going, everyone? In today's English pronunciation lesson, we're going to take a look at the sound. This is a long vowel sound. Technically, it's called the open mid central unrounded vowel. It's very similar to the previous vowel we looked at, the schwa sound We form it by keeping our lips relaxed, our mouth slightly open, and the tongue in a flat position. It's a little different to the schwa sound in that our tongue is actually tense and not relaxed. While doing this, we blow out a long pulse of air. So, your turn now. We generally find it represented by the spellings UR, like bird, IR, like girl, OR, like work, ER, like her, and EAR, like learn. This sound is also the English thinking sound, meaning us English speakers say it when we're trying to think of what to say, okay? Yeah. As I've mentioned a few times in previous videos, long vowel sounds do become a little bit shorter when they go before a voiceless consonant that closes a syllable. With the sound, you can hear it in these pairs of words. Berg, berg, search, surge, 30, third, surf, serve. Do you hear how it's a little bit shorter? Okay, so let's practice this sound. The first sentence is a well-known proverb. It basically means if you wake up early or go somewhere early, you get better rewards, okay? The early bird catches the worm. It was determined that the service girl was murdered when she returned from work. Were you there when Shirley referred to her as the worst person she has ever heard? If you found this video interesting, then subscribe to my channel to get more videos on the English language and how it works. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.